Picture this. You're tired of hosting your webinar with just your webcam. You have a beautiful studio that's waiting to be used, but how do you use that equipment for your webinars? Let us explain. With professional equipment come higher quality streaming options. Streaming with WebRTC will not give you the quality that you're expecting from professional equipment. You will need RTMP streaming for this. The benefits of RTMP are streaming in a higher bitrate and having more control over what's part of the stream. And that is exactly what you want from professional equipment. Before you can start streaming, you will need to add RTMP to your subscription. RTMP is part of the advanced plan, but can also be purchased as an add-on for your premium plan. Purchasing the add-on can be done in your account. Go to your account and to subscription. Here you'll find the option for the add-ons. Select RTMP streaming and continue with the payment process. The process of setting up RTMP streaming asks for some technical knowledge and experience with an external encoder, such as OBS. You can find a complete guide of RTMP streaming in our Help Center for more information. Be sure to set your webinar for streaming with RTMP under the webinar settings. Let's start with the encoder. For this video, we will use OBS as our encoder. First, we need to add the streaming details to configure OBS for the use with WebinarGeek. This information is easily found in the WebinarGeek live environment. Open the live environment and on the right-hand side you can see the details like hostname, stream key, username and password. Just copy and paste these codes into OBS and click OK. Now you can click Start Streaming. If everything is copied correctly, you will see that in WebinarGeek the stream is now connected. Within OBS, you can set up your empty canvas to play anything you like. For example, a camera, multiple cameras, side by side, and more. You can even use OBS as a virtual cam. Just add the different sources in OBS. We mostly use video capture device to connect a switcher with external cameras. And that's how to set up your RTMP stream. Time to configure OBS for your next webinar.